To reset the oil life monitor on your 2022-2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneer and set it to 100%, use the Electronic Vehicle Information Center touchscreen or steering wheel controls. Ensure the ignition is in the on-run position, but the engine is off. This assumes you've just completed an oil change. Navigate through the menu options to find Oil Life Reset. Select it and confirm the reset. This function is designed to be user-accessible, assuming you've just completed an oil change. Doing this will keep your oil change monitoring accurate to prevent false warnings and potential engine issues. Ignoring the reset can lead to premature engine wear and tear and potentially void your warranty if not done after the service. Important considerations when resetting oil life include performing the reset only after completing an oil change with the correct oil type, which is typically 5-bob-30 synthetic. Attempting the reset while driving or with the engine running can cause errors, so always ensure the vehicle is stationary and ignition is on. According to a 2024 recall, some high-mileage Wagoneers over 50,000 miles may experience electronic vehicle information center glitches, requiring dealership recalibration. If the reset fails, try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes, but note this may erase radio presets. While DIY resets are increasingly common, dealership resets are recommended for warranty preservation, especially if you encounter persistent issues. Also note that tampering with the oil life monitor for reasons other than maintenance can be illegal in some regions.